Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PlayStation 4 controller on Grand Theft Auto 5 PC. First, let's get your controller connected. You can use a standard micro USB cable for a direct wired connection, which is often the most reliable. Alternatively, for a wireless experience, activate Bluetooth pairing mode on your controller by holding down the PlayStation and share buttons until the light bar flashes. Then, simply pair it through your computer's Bluetooth settings. This initial step is quick and easy, getting you ready for the next stage. To ensure seamless gameplay, we recommend using PS4 Windows. This fantastic, free program tricks your PC into thinking your PlayStation 4 controller is an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games, including Grand Theft Auto 5, natively support. After a quick download and installation, launch PS4 Windows. You'll see your controller listed, and from there, you can fine-tune settings like button assignments and even the light bar's color. It's a powerful tool that significantly enhances your gaming experience. Once your controller is connected and PS4 Windows is running, it's time to jump into Grand Theft Auto 5. Head straight to the Game Settings menu. You'll want to find the Controller or Key Bindings section. The crucial step here is to make sure your input method is explicitly set to gamepad or controller. This tells the game to expect input from your PlayStation 4 controller, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in Los Santos with the comfort of your preferred gamepad. A quick game restart might be necessary. Sometimes, you might encounter a few hiccups. If your controller isn't working, first confirm PS4 Windows is active and your controller is properly connected. A simple restart of both the game and PS4 Windows often resolves minor glitches. Also, ensure your controller's firmware is current. For Bluetooth users, minimize interference and update your PC's Bluetooth drivers. If you're using a wired connection and experiencing issues, try a different USB cable. These quick checks usually get you back into the action within a minute or two.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.